I've been blessed up, I've been broke down. Gotta catch up, gotta shine now. Running faster, I can't slow down.
So let's get started. Maybe I need to wet my beauty blender. I came so unprepared. What's been going on with me? I've been just enjoying some me time, figuring out what I like to do. By the way, if this video is like scramble, it's because I don't have anything written down necessarily. Not like I do that for anything else. Mixing my foundation is because your girl just doesn't have the right foundation shade right now because I'm tanned. If you don't notice, it's because of the lighting here, but I am tanned up, y'all. The sun done got me plenty of times, so I don't even really know my natural skin color right now, so that's why we're sitting here mixing things. You feel me? Back to what I was saying, because I continue to get off track. Lately, I've been finding new hobbies because I've been confused lately. I have a zhuzh of what I like and what I want to do with my life, but it's some things that I just don't know that I'm just trying to figure out, if that makes sense. I don't know if anybody else can relate. For me, in my 20s, that's probably the most important time of your life. You know, I would prefer not to be an adult. I would prefer to just stay a child for the rest of my life because low keys, I'm Peter Pan or whatever. By the way, you might hear a lot of Disney references in here because if you know me, Disney is my life. I am Disney. So, but that's just besides the point. Anyway, I know I like makeup, clearly. And I know I like the creative things in life. I think that's what makes it harder though. When you go the creative route and you don't, you know, do the college, the 4 years in college type situation, people look at you differently because they're like, well, how are you gonna make money? I heard people tell me before, that ain't gonna pay the bills. That ain't gonna put food on the table. But actually, it is. It's scary. I think it's a lot scarier. I'm going to make it. And all of y'all heard that, so if I ever, you know, am having a moment, then y'all could replay this video in front of my face or walk up to me and be like, you said you was gonna make it, so I don't want to hear it. Also, just got a new job. I like it. Pays good. It's not a lot of social interaction, which I probably need to get over that. I've been hearing I have to talk to people, but you know, us introverts, yes, I am an introvert. I am an INFJ if you want to go research it. We don't really like to talk to people like that. We like to stay in our own little area, and I enjoy it, but I know eventually I have to get out of that, unfortunately. I hope that this blends into my edges because I got the scarf on, and that always happened to me where there's like a line there of foundation that I didn't blend, but that's okay. We're gonna get it together. By the way, it's coming out flawlessly. I don't understand why, but it is. It's just like, it's a good skin day. Don't you just enjoy those days? But you didn't have to do that. You did not have to do that. Anyway, I found interest in photography. You know, I've been doing a lot of that. It makes me happy. I like taking pictures of myself, of course, and other people. I think it's very intriguing. Going to other places of scenery and getting people at different angles, artsy angles. I like just being out. I like the sun. I like being outside. I don't like being at home. By the way, I'm carving my chin because I've been eating a lot of sugar, and y'all don't need to know nothing about nothing. Y'all just don't. That's just not your place to know what I've been eating, and you can't see it at my chin. So therefore, we're going to pretend that it never happened. Yeah. So I don't hear nothing about it. This is really coming out good. Do y'all see these? Do y'all see this? Oh my god. I also found interest, well, I had this interest for a very long time, but more so now, is watching a lot of Disney movies. Disney is so uplifting, you know? And I feel if you watch Disney, you live longer. Like, you don't get old quick. Like, you don't age as fast. Because Disney is so, like, happy. Everything is happy. If you ever have a bad day, just watch some Disney movies, you know? I promise that you're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. I feel like my favorite Disney movies right now are probably Peter Pan. I like Sleeping Beauty. That's actually my favorite princess. A lot of people don't know that. Like, this Princess Aurora. I love it. And it's between Snow White or Cinderella, but either one. Either one. I love Disney. Just Disney is life. Nobody can tell me nothing about Disney. Like, whatever. I am Disney. I might as well live in a castle. Look, I got my princess dress on. Like, I might as well live in a castle. I might as well. Princess Jada. Hold on, I need to really get up in here. Y'all see what I mean? That little line right there? No, we gotta blend that. We gotta blend that. So I'm gonna come back after I charge the camera. Alright, I'm back with concealer on my face. I've let it sit. Have any of y'all watched Once Upon a Time before? Speaking of Disney, it's a show on Netflix. It's a really good show. It's basically like Disney characters from like all different type of Disney movies combined in one show. In some freakish way, they all end up in this show, right? So I just feel like it's perfect for the Disney lover. When I was in Florida, this girl, I had bought a smoothie, or not a smoothie, I had bought a milkshake from like our resort or wherever, and they're what was the restaurant called? It was called, what was it called? Not Storybrooke, but it sounded like the show, and I was like, did y'all name the restaurant after Once Upon a Time? Like, does somebody watch Once Upon a Time? And she was like, no, but I thought that too when I first started working here, because she worked there. And I was like, oh my god, you watch it too? And she was like, yeah, I watch it too. So we was just talking and talking about who our favorite characters was. I was like, oh my god, somebody who relates. And it's tragic because she lives in Florida. And I was like, dang. But I watch it with my mom, and so it's fun. So that's one of the things I've been doing too. Because sometimes you just need things to help you, especially if you like me and you overthink about things and situations, or you worry. You know, it's a good show to keep your mind occupied. You're watching a good show, you ain't thinking about nothing. And I also like to color. I found interest in coloring. Girl, coloring is very therapeutic. Just like makeup, I just feel like it's the same thing. Also in the process of reading a driving book, because I have to drive and I have to get over the fear of driving, because I really don't want to do that, but I have to get places and do things, so that's really not an option for me. If y'all don't sit to this video, I'm gonna be mad because I don't have a reason. But hopefully y'all enjoy this video. You just wanna talk, chat with you. Oh, also, I'm starting to do clients as far as makeup, and I created an Instagram for it. So if you want to follow the Instagram or be one of my clients, then I'm going to have the Instagram listed in the description box too. Little plug there myself. I will try to post more often though, because I realized that I don't really post that often on there. I'm just like piling this contour on this because look at it, and that brow is pretty nice. And I will be putting on lashes and all that stuff too. and I'm probably going to cut that part out because this video is probably going to be too long and people are going to be looking at the video like, girl, I'm not about to sit through all of this. But if you did and you really care about me, I love you, appreciate you, glad that you wanted to spend time. Oh girl. Also the boys, hi, how you doing? Hope everything is well. Oh! Come on somebody. This is how you glow on them. My two most important things in life are the Bible and Disney. It really is. And I'm not sorry about it. So I'm probably gonna come back with my lashes and eyeliner on because you guys basically sat here and watched me do my entire face. And after I grabbed some hydration because it's hot. So I'll be back. So that's the look for today. I'm probably gonna take some pictures because I haven't. See, y'all see what I'm talking about? Hair is coming out the twist, acting like it don't know what it's supposed to be doing. And I hope that you guys like this video. I have fun doing a video like this. This twist is out of order. We will be having to talk. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also follow all our social medias, which will be in the description box below. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.